Sunlight breaks through the dense canopy of the Amazon rainforest, scattering golden rays across countless leaves. In this seemingly peaceful world, concealed in the shadows, a small but deadly assassin waits in silence. The praying mantis, gifted with some of the most remarkable natural weapons, is prepared to reveal its lethal mastery of the hunt. Every still moment is part of its patience, every breath aligned with the rhythm of the jungle. The mantis possesses extraordinary eyes, large and spherical, that allow it to survey almost the entire world around it. Even the slightest tremor of a leaf or the faintest wingbeat is immediately detected. When the time comes, it transforms into the perfect imitation of a delicate flower, blending flawlessly into its surroundings. This act of deception ensures that even the most wary of insects approach, unaware of the predator hiding in plain sight. A careless insect drifts too close, unaware of the danger ahead. In a mere fraction of a second, just 0.05 seconds, the mantis unleashes its strike. Its forelegs snap forward like steel traps, clamping down on its prey with unstoppable force. This speed and precision leave no room for escape, earning the mantis its fearsome reputation as the silent assassin of the insect world. The hunt is over, but the ritual of survival continues. With deliberate calm, the mantis begins to tear its victim apart, savoring every fragment of flesh. Its powerful jaws crush with ease, turning the catch into nourishment. To us, the sight may appear brutal, but for the mantis, it is a just reward for the patience and the split-second precision that define its existence. Yet the jungle is full of hunters, and danger is never far away. As the mantis feasts, a lizard emerges from beneath the leaves, moving cautiously, its gaze fixed on the insect. But instead of fleeing, the mantis raises its spinned forelegs, displaying defiance. This standoff is more than survival, it is a clash of wills, a testament to the endless struggle of predator against predator in the wild. Even after the tension of battle, life cycle pushes forward. The mantis now faces reproduction, one of nature's most perilous stages. Sometimes, the female consumes her partner after mating, a grim yet essential ritual of survival. From this sacrifice comes an egg case, holding hundreds of fragile new lives. Once more, the mantis returns to the shadows of the forest, blending seamlessly with its world, a motionless warrior waiting for the next chance to strike, continuing the eternal rhythm of predator and prey.